Hello YouTube, just finished up a build, thought I'd show it off. It is a Spikes Tactical billet receiver set belt pistol. Start off with the upper. Let's check this chamber, see if it's empty. Oh, look at that, it's empty. For all you safety Nazis, it's empty, don't worry. Let's go to the front end. Right here we have a Flaming Pig. This is the Noveske KX3. And we have here a Surefire Scout flashlight. It's very bright. Told you. Okay. And we have here a Spikes Tactical 9-inch bar rail. It's a quad rail with a big opening. Has a 1.8-inch ID. So you can stick a suppressor, stick a KX3. I have a Magpul angled foregrip right here. It's angled at an angle. And it has a Noveske 8.2-inch barrel with a pistol length gas system. Up top right here we have a Troy Industries M4 front side post. Flip up. And here it is, the Spikes Tactical billet upper. It's a standard upper. It's a flat top. The Troy Industries rear flip up side. There goes their spider logo, and it has a Bravo company Mod 3 charger handle. Here is your forward assist right there. And there goes your shell deflector. It's all billet, one piece. This just looks really nice. It has a flappy ejection port door right there. It's very cool. Snaps closed like that, keeps dust out. And this upper, I love this upper. The way it just gives it that continuous look. Because this is a Spikes Tactical rail and a Spikes Tactical upper. It just gives it that monolithic look. No awkward blocks like that. All continuous. Now let's move down to the lower. It is a pistol as it sits right now. This is the Spikes Tactical lower receiver. Sorry about that. Had to go feed my cat. Yeah. Like I was saying earlier, this is a lower receiver. It has a Spikes Tactical enhanced lower parts kit, which means it has a nickel coated mil-spec trigger, nickel coated hammer also, and nickel coated spring. It's all nickel coated. And some of the assets of this lower receiver are this ambidextrous bolt release. This is your typical bolt release. This is your ambidextrous bolt release. And I have installed a set of Battle Arms Development short throw safety levers. So you can see, short throw. Has a 45-degree throw, whereas other rifles have a 90-degree throw. I wrapped it all up with a Phase 5 Tactical pistol buffer tube. I have a Magpul Myad. Has very sufficient Skittle storage. As you can see, just pull this out and you can store things, i.e. Skittles, bullets, Starburst, whatever you like. There's a Biohazard logo. It also has a set of K&S anti-rotational pins. So yeah, as you can see, this is the complete set. Put them together like that. Very simple. Just put that, line it up. Sometimes you need a hammer and you just hit them in and it'll work fine. And this is a magazine. I picked these up at Walmart. They were on rollback for like $5.99, so I picked up a few. As you can see, keep one on ice. I have special plans for that one. But they hold 30 rounds of 7.62 by 35, in which this rifle is chambered. It's chambered in 7.62 by 35, or some people know it as 300 blackout. So yeah, this is it. This is a complete rifle. Hope you guys enjoy it. Maybe around next summer I can get around to doing a video of this beauty right here. Yes sir D. Yes sirree. That is an AR-15 right there. It's nice and red too. There goes my old rifle. And here's my pistol. I'm planning on carrying this as my everyday carry. I just need to find a really good holster. Something that can clear this Surefire Scout Light. And maybe a Kydex holster would be good, but yeah. This is pretty much it right here. This is it. It's a pretty dope gun. Look at those receivers. Alright guys, tune in this summer for a video on that. Thanks.